Introducing the new heavy-duty SMD35 magnetic drilling machine from 3Keego. SMD35 magnetic drill machine, our best choice on drilling structural steels and metals in various industries. With a maximum cutting diameter of 35 mm and 50 mm cutting depth, and with up to 12 mm twist drilling. Powerful 2-speed gear that delivers maximum torque. With a heavy-duty slide system for a stable and precise drilling. Smart integrated cable routing to protect lines from damage. Ergonomic arrangements of controls, and with integrated red or green visual indicator for power and magnetic adhesion. Powerful magnetic drilling machine with 1050 watt power. With a built-in self-feed coolant tank. Powerful electromagnet provides enough holding force for the toughest applications. SMD35 only weigh 14 kilograms. It comes with a dust and waterproof box to protect the SMD35 machine from tough conditions, and equipped with all necessary tools and additional parts for the SM35 machine. High performance, compact model, longer lifespan, easy operation. Great tools, great workmanship.